breeze and morning dew. Every day feels so brand new. Walk along the quiet street where our memories always meet. Every step a rhythm sweet, where the past and present greet. Whispers of the wind so light, in the day and in the night, carry dreams to endless heights, guiding us with purest might. Silent echoes through the air, secrets only hearts can share. Every moment we can spare, breathing in this train.